Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to buy a vintage car radio for your build or restoration project, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before spending your money. So I'm Vitis from Baltic Retrofit. We fix and restore vintage car radios on a daily basis. So let me show you what to look out for so you don't waste your money and time. So the absolutely first thing to know, if a vintage car radio hasn't been serviced, there is 99% chance that it's broken or working partially. Just like any other old electronics or vintage electronic, buying used vintage car radio off eBay or any marketplace, like it's a huge gamble, okay? So I walk you through what to look for based on my own experience. For today, we're gonna use an eBay. It's a great eBay just has great search engine. It's very easy to find anything here, okay? So one of the biggest mistakes people make is buying radios listed as unknown or untested condition, right? They are always broken. So just because the radio power is on, it doesn't mean it works. The sound might be dead, like buttons could be unresponsive, cassette deck might be shot, backlights don't work, whatever. So always look where the radios has been tested for both power and audio, right? If the seller can't confirm that, it's a gamble, right? So imagine you restoring your old car only to install a radio, it works half. So not fun, yeah. So I found here a few examples, right? Okay, here is a Blampung, vintage Blampung radio from like maybe 90s. It's gonna be bad. Who knows, they knows, but if you buy, like, even though it's only 60 pounds, like, it's gonna be something's wrong with gonna be with this radio. Like this Pioneer, okay, it's already in basket. Yeah, I know, it's great model, it's collectible radio actually. But if you don't know how to fix them, or you thinking you're not gonna spend any more money on it, you're wrong. It's gonna be big issues with it. So let's go to another one. Like it's what is Rover Philips, right? Philips radios, they're not good at all. So it's gonna be problems. Plus codes. Don't forget that. It's gonna be coded, half of them. So it's not tested, you see? You can't see the backlights, you can't see anything. Cassette works, don't work, you don't know. Here is another example. Pioneer, right? The big screen, they are known with pixel issues. It's complicated radio. It's probably this one, it has to have a cage from the back of the radio. It's a special connector, okay? So you're gonna be in big trouble buying this. 99, right? So to service radio, if nothing's wrong with it, it costs at least like 100 euros, right? So if you buy this one, you can expect to spend another 150 or even more, right? Here is another example, the Blaupunkt. These screens they go bad a lot. So if you can't confirm this radio, if you can't see it's working, don't buy it. Here's another example. Just don't buy those. Better spend just a little bit more, but buy tested radio, at least tested, or the best if you buy serviced, after service. Next thing is cosmetic condition, right? The faceplate, the buttons, deep scratches, missing knobs, and whatever. They don't affect function, but they do ruin your interior look, okay? So let's dig. I already did the search for vintage Pioneer, right? So here are a couple examples, right? It's not tested, it's not on, nothing like, and missing knobs, okay? So to turn this radio to working condition, so you can put it and enjoy it to your car, you're gonna spend at least 150, maybe 200 euros plus missing knobs. Where are you gonna find it? Impossible to find it. Impossible. You have to hunt for a donor radio. So be careful of that. Here is another example. Not turn it on, missing knobs. deep scratches. It doesn't matter, it costs only 50 here or 100 here. You're gonna spend a lot more if you buy these. Here is another example. 1980s Sharp, right? Explain me, where you gonna get these missing knobs? Where? You don't go to your local supermarket and buy these knobs. Impossible to find them. So be aware of that, okay? Cutting cables from black, not tested radio, so you have to do the wiring. Oh man, $118 in this case, plus shipping, right? And one more thing is very, very, very important, especially with the cage ones, okay? The radios which has a cage. Look at the back. You will never find this connector in any shop, right? You have to hunt for Pioneer, especially for Pioneer, the cage with these connectors. You will never find it. It's very rare. So be aware of that also, right? So all those deals like for 40, 50, 70 or whatever, it's gonna cost you a lot more. Believe me, in most cases it's much smarter to buy full service radio plug and play unit. It's gonna save you time, money, stress and everything. So, but if you still decide to buy unserviced radio, at least buy from sellers who show you that it's working on video, like visually show you, okay? Here is a couple examples, right? Again, couple examples. Um, Here is couple sellers, right? So this lad, look at this. Great. Everything is turned on. You can see exact condition and what you paid, like a little bit more, like 100 more. You're not gonna fix yourself for this price unless you are an electrician or something like that. All radios is on, cleaned. You see, you spend just a little bit more, like 100 more, 100 more, 100 more. Like this radio should be like what? Untested, like 75. This radio untested 100, so it's 100 plus. It's gonna save you money. Here's another example, right? Everything is on. All radios been tested, cleaned, serviced. Beautiful. Here's another example. You see? So go for those. Here's a German lad. He's refurbishing all radios, upgrading with the Bluetooth, same as we do. Beautiful. Always go for those. Or go to Baltic Retrofit and buy one of our radios. So I hope that helped. Please visit our website balticretrofit.com, like, follow and subscribe, and see you in next video. Thumbs up, guys.